Yo, what's up people? This is Smart Concept, and today I'll be showing you all how I create this image, and more. So stay tuned and watch this tutorial bit by bit, using different modifier and strobes to achieving great results. You get one thing about photo shoot is that you must conceive the idea, then you bring the idea to life. That's one thing about I love so much about creative process. You understand? So just stay tuned and watch this video. Thank you.
It's Smart Concept. Purchase your tracks today.
So we're done fixing the background and now we're ready for the shoot. Stay tuned guys, keep watching. This is not like a serious photo shoot, but I just want to create something out of it. I just called her and say, Emily Graham, please can you just come over to the studio, let's create something magical, and she answered.
Purchase your tracks today.
We've come to the end of the section and I believe you enjoyed every bit of it. Like I told you all that I'm gonna show you all how I did the light setup and which finally you guys saw the way I achieved this light setup. Just one light setup I use in all these shoots, nothing more, nothing less. Just one light setup and this continuous light at the back, which is this Suit Photo 100 bi RGB. Alright, I want to introduce you all to the model we used for today. Emily Graham, tell me, how was the section?
The session was nice, like it was really okay, and I loved my pictures. Like my pictures just came out well, and I can't wait to see the outcome of the shoot. Like I can't wait to see the main picture. I can't wait to jubilate, to dance.
That's what's up. We always bring our A game when it comes to photography, and you guys see it's just one setup we use. And you watching this video for the very first time, you just come across my channel. So what do you have to tell anybody that just come across my channel right now and is watching this video? What do you have to say to the person?
Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to Smart Concepts YouTube channel. The guy is really nice, like you won't regret it. Stay tuned for more pictures, more video, and more
Yeah, more tutorials. That's what she meant to say.